I want everyone to see this. This is what you call Christmas in East Hollywood. It is absolute whiteout conditions outside. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but you can't see down the street. We have so many cars. Oh my God. The noise, if you hear it, that's just the wind. It's been howling all day. They closed the schools, so there won't be any school tomorrow. But I just wanted everyone to see this. Oh, the lights down there, the cars, you can see the lights, but you can't see the cars unless they get up on you. There we are. I'm cold, so I'm going in the house. We're hibernating tonight. But I wanted everyone to see. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.